Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and behind me is a stunning sapphire black M340D. Let's get it modified, detailed, and we'll catch up with it then. So as you can see behind me is Paddock's new demo car. Mark and his wife Claire have been a very good supporter of Motech over the few years. In fact, if you're down in Devon, Exeter way, they have a place called Paddock Motors, that are, of course, a Motech dealer, and also AC Schnitzer. As you can see behind me is their stunning brand new M340D, currently sitting on our silver and polished M-W3 wheels. I-back suspension, full AC Schnitzer body kit, which looks absolutely perfect. Roof spoiler and boot spoiler, body coloured, really changes the silhouette of the vehicle, so it's a really good setup on that. And of course, also on the back, you have the bumper protection and the chrome, which works really well with the wheels, and the side Motech V2 badges, the AC Schnitzer logo in the chrome 3D badge, absolutely stunning. Interior, we have the iDrive cover, and of course the paddles by AC Schnitzer, just to make it a bit more unique and a bit more sort of driver focused over standard equipment parts. Guys have had it in the detailing bay. It's been ceramic coated, 5-year protection using CS Light, topped up with an EXO, so it's absolutely perfect, ready to hit the nasty weather we're about to probably get this winter. But let's get it outside while we can, while it's still dry, and get some B-roll, and let us know what you think of this stunning M340D.